adlaw, maulan pa rin. Pupunta kami sa airport. Sunduin namin sina...
I'm gonna put the seats up.
Okay. Sunduin namin sina Mama Karen at si Daddy Ron. Kaya magstay sila dito, guys. Si Daddy Ron magstay siya dito ng 1 week. Tapos si Mama Karen mga 2 weeks siya dito. Kasi tutulungan nila kami maghakot. Naghakot na kami ng ibang gamit namin, pero hindi pa lahat. Yung mga malalaking gamit, mag-aarkila kasi kami ng parang truck ba yun? Wait lang. Yung U-Haul ba yun? Ayun, mag-aarkila kami para hakutin yung mga malalaking gamit katulad ng bed. Kasi may malaki kaming bed, tapos yung isa na nasa isang gaming room, tapos yung ano namin, yung katulad ng mga ano niya, tools niya, ganun, yung mga mabibigat na gamit, ilalagay namin doon sa may truck na arkilahin namin. So, when are we moving all the stuff? Friday. So, nagunti-unti na kami, ginamit namin yung dalawang sasakyan, yung mga maliliit lang na gamit, so mga damit namin, ganun, para hindi na kami mahirapan. Pero may mga iba pa rin mga gamit na naiwan dito. At dito pa rin kami natutulog. Dito sa sa apartment. Siguro lilipat kami yung fully lipat na talaga ng Friday. So, ano ba yun? Hiningal agad ako. Nagugutom na naman ako. Alright. Punta tayo sa airport, guys. And, ang dating daw nila, 6:25 daw. They will be,
Yeah, we need to go.
Their airplane will, will land at 6:20, landed on 6:25. Sabi, kasi nag-chat sa amin si Mama Karen kanina. 6:25 daw yung Oh my God.
Oh, here.
Ang daming nagpa-park dyan sa may lang dito. Buti alis na kami dito. Ang daming nagpa-park sa may lang, yung kung saan-saan lang. Kaya minsan nakakainis. Kaya yung dito, yung parang clubhouse dito, yung management, panay text ng text, na diba? Nagmarites muna. So yun, anyways guys, umuulan ngayon, and papunta na kami ng airport, mag-vlog kami, no? And after namin silang pick upin, kakain kami sa labas, hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain. Where are we gonna eat, babe?
Not sure yet.
Sige.
We'll let Mom and Dad pick. Oh.
Tignan natin kung saan kami kakain, Oh my gosh, I forgot my jacket. It's gonna be cold. Medyo, hindi kasi ako sanay ng, para sa akin, mas gusto ko talaga yung mas gusto ko yung mainit. Hindi naman super init, no? Mas gusto ko yung, di tulad ng super lamig. O gusto ko ma-experience yung snow. Pero dito kasi sa Virginia, hindi nag-i-snow, guys. So, yun. Malapit na naman mag-winter dito. Pero hindi naman siya nag-i-snow. Pero malamig pa rin talaga. So, yun. And, ayun lang. We'll see you later.
Yeah.
Nandito kami, guys, sa cellphone waiting lot.
There's Dad, actually.
Oh, tumatawag na si Dad.
Hey, are you guys here?
Yeah, where are you at?
Okay. Stand outside. We're just here. We were gonna pull on the cell phone line, wait for you guys, but I'll just zip around real quick and grab you. Yeah, we were behind a really slow person that obviously doesn't know how to drive in the rain, so we were going very slow. Welcome to Virginia.
Welcome to
Where are you
Virginia.
coming in now? Coming into the terminal?
Yeah, we're gonna come pick you up outside. So where are you at? What airline are you by?
The Delta?
We're by Terminal Arrivals 1, just underneath that bridge that you come under.
Okay. Yeah, we'll be there in just a second.
Alright, see you, bye.
Okay, love you, bye.
Ito yung, that's a parking lot, babe, right? Those are parking area.
This guy needs to get over.
Okay.
Come on, dude.
Alright. Ito yung airport dito, guys.
Okay.
Ano nangyari?
I'm losing my patience. What are we doing?
Oh my
We
goodness.
just missed going like 3 times. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Go!
Grabe, guys. Na-stress si Travis sa
I don't know what they're doing here.
Parking man ata yun. Na-stress siya sa mga driver. Na-stress siya sa mga driver ngayon. Ganito rin ba asawa nyo? Pag mag-drive. Nandito na kami sa airport. Natagalan lang kami sa mga nagda-drive talaga sa mga tao dito. Ako po. Baka kanina pa nag-aantay si mom and dad. Maybe they're waiting for...
They're waiting for us. I told them we'll be there in just a minute.
We see you guys.
Oh, okay.
Just walk to us.
There you go. Do you want me to sit in the back?
Doesn't matter.
Mama Karen. Welcome back, Ma. Oh, it's you.
Then we'll take another check too.
Alright, andito na yung food namin.
Oh, no.
That's mine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Is that mine too?
Tortilla, yeah.
Thank you.
Dang, that does look good.
Yeah.
That's a big burrito.
A few moments later.
By the way, nandito kami sa bahay, guys. Kasama yung in-laws ko. Meron ng bagong garage door. Yan na pala yung update. Ano, inayos na nila. Kakain lang namin sa Mexican restaurant. Pasok tayo.
Put it on the opposite.
Mama Karen here. Yeah, just storage.
Well, when you come in, it's probably for, you know, like
Yeah.
put your shoes and your coats. And...
Yeah, this is like a little sunboard.
You have to undo the...
Oh,
You can walk out there though. Yeah, this is...
Oh, there's a rabbit again, man. Look. There's a rabbit out there. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. How'd you like it, ma?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Nice. I was just sitting here trying to think of, like, furniture.
Right. How to decorate.
You can put Kenzie
Yeah.
out here. She's where she's gonna be.
Yep.
So it's telling Dad, it's like, yep, this is, oh yeah,
Then
because
shut that door.
Kinsley, they could, you know, put her bed and her food and water right out here.
Yeah. Especially in winter.
In the winter, yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, and then like that tree, that should probably be trimmed up.
Right.
So this is a little bit deeper, but the truck won't fit in here.
No.
What? What? Hi, Kinsley. Hi, pretty girl. Babe, turn on the lights. Oh, sorry. Who is that?
Hi, Kinsley.
Who is that? Who is that?
What you doing, pretty girl? Pretty girl. She's like, hi, pretty girl.
Who is that? Who is that? Go see Grandma.
What'd you smell? Oh, she smells
Oh, she smells.
Oh, yeah.
Moms.
Who's in there?
Who is in there?
it. Who is it? Who is it?
Who is that? Look, Kinsley, look.
Who's Mouse?
Come on in here, so she don't keep looking for you.
What? What? Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh no!
Who is that? Who is that,
Oh my
Kinsley?
goodness!
Oh my gosh, she's so excited. Who is that? Yeah. She's so happy.
She's so big.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. She's so excited.
Nice one. This is a nice one.
Who is Grandma?
They're like waterproof.
Oh, who is Grandma?
Cool.
She always do that to Mom.
Hi, you little girl. Hey, you little
Yeah.
girl. Yes, you are. You're just a little puppy. She's a big
She's gotta be like 100 pounds.
Yeah.
She's big, isn't she?
Look at your bed.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at your big bed you got. Let me see. Let me see it. Come here. Come here.
Oh my goodness. Yeah,
You think so, Ma?
she's
Look. That's my dad.
Yeah. Oh.
What? Hi, pretty girl.
Yeah, she's at least 10 pounds heavier.
Yeah.
How much does she weigh?
She's 100 even.
Oh, okay, 100. Hi. 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 What you doing?
Like, where's her
Give me
snake?
hugs. Give me
Huh? Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa bahay, no? And dito sila matutulog for, dito, siguro, yan nga nasabi ko na 1 week, 2 weeks si Mama Karen, tapos 1 week si Daddy Ron. So dito kami matutulog sa apartment, I think last night. Then Friday,
Alright.
lilipat na kami. So yun lang ang vlog natin for today. See you again next time. Bye!